The experiment that reanimated dead animals. They were dead. No breath, no heartbeat. Then, they moved. At the dawn of the 1900s, scientists pushed electricity into lifeless animals. Cold bodies lay on metal tables until switches were thrown. Jaws snapped shut, limbs kicked, chests twitched as if the body remembered how to live. They weren't alive, but they weren't fully gone. Witnesses stepped back in horror. Some called it progress. Others said it crossed a line that should never be touched. Rumors spread fast. If electricity could command the dead, what separated life from death at all? The experiments were shut down, but the fear and the question remained. If the dead can move, how final is death really?